If your Samsung fridge's beverage center pitcher isn't filling, don't worry. This is a super common issue, and most of the time you can fix it in just a couple of minutes with a few simple checks. Let's walk through everything step by step so you can get that autofill pitcher working again. Start by draining any excess water inside the system. Open your fridge and look near the bottom of the autofill area. You should see a small drain plug tucked just underneath. Gently unscrew it and let any trapped water drain out completely. Sometimes pressure builds inside the line, and this quick release is all it takes. Once the water is done draining, close the plug firmly and check if the pitcher starts filling again. If not, take a closer look at the pitcher placement. The autofill system uses a magnet sensor to detect when the pitcher is sitting correctly. If it's even a little off, the fridge won't send water. Make sure the pitcher is lined up perfectly on the guides. You can even nudge it slightly forward or backward to help the sensor click. Some people place a small item behind the pitcher temporarily just to make sure it's pushed into proper alignment. If that still doesn't do the trick and you're comfortable doing a small inspection, you can check the sensor wiring. Carefully remove the cap above the autofill area, then take out the screw underneath it. This will open the panel just enough for you to see the wiring harness. Look for a double blue wire connected to the sensor. Unplugging it can temporarily bypass a faulty sensor, but make sure you plug it back in before closing everything up. This step can help confirm whether the sensor is the root of the problem. Once everything is back together, try resetting the filter and autofill controls. If you notice a flashing icon or a filter light, press and hold the door alarm button for about 3 seconds to unlock the panel. After that, press and hold the ice maker button for another 3 seconds. This resets the autofill system and clears any error that may be stopping the pitcher from filling. After doing all of these steps, your beverage center should be working like normal again. If it helps, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. And if your fridge has any other issues you want help with, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and good luck getting that pitcher refilled smoothly.